Is your engine shaking like a leaf or feeling like it is about to stall every time you stop at a red light? That rough idle and poor acceleration might be screaming that one of your cylinders is taking a nap while the others are doing all the work. If you have plugged in a scanner and seen the code P0201, you are dealing with a cylinder 1 injector circuit malfunction. This is a generic powertrain code, meaning it applies to pretty much any vehicle equipped with OBD-II, but the fix can vary a bit depending on what you drive. Basically, your car's brain, the PCM, has detected a fault in the fuel injector for cylinder number 1, or the wiring leading to it. Here's how it works under the hood. The computer monitors that injector constantly. When it activates the injector to spray fuel, it expects the voltage to be pulled low, close to zero. When the injector is switched off, the voltage should jump back up high, close to battery voltage. If the computer does not see these specific voltage changes, or if it senses that the resistance in the circuit is way too high or too low, it throws this code and turns on that annoying check engine light. You are likely feeling a misfire, a lack of power, and maybe even smelling raw fuel. Now, do not panic because it's not always a dead computer. The most common culprit is a bad injector, but it could also be an open wire, a short, or just a loose connector. To fix this, grab a multimeter. First, check the resistance of the injector itself against your manufacturer's specs. If it is out of range, replace it. You should also check the connector for at least 10 volts. A great pro tip if you do not have an expensive injector tester is to simply swap the cylinder 1 injector with another one, say cylinder 2, clear the code, and drive. If the code moves to cylinder 2, you know for a fact the injector is toast. If the code stays at cylinder 1, you're looking at a wiring problem, or rarely a bad driver in the computer. It's a logical process of elimination that can save you a bundle at the repair shop.